Welcome to Conquering Financial Potholes, your money journey explained. Just like any great journey, the path to financial empowerment starts with a single step. Today, we are embarking on a quest that will guide you through the labyrinth of financial freedom. Navigating this labyrinth might seem daunting at first, filled with financial jargon, complex decisions, and unexpected challenges. However, with the right tools, knowledge, and a strategic plan, the path to financial empowerment becomes a journey of self-discovery and growth. So, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride to financial freedom. Next stop, the labyrinth of financial freedom. Why does the path to financial freedom often seem like a labyrinth, filled with unexpected twists and turns? Is it the lack of a map, or perhaps the absence of a guiding light? The journey to financial empowerment may indeed be daunting, but every complex journey can be broken down into manageable steps. Imagine embarking on a quest for financial empowerment. This isn't a sprint, rather it's a marathon, a long, steady race where endurance and strategy matter more than speed. The first step on this journey is to understand your current financial position. It's like a mirror showing you the reality of your fiscal health. It involves assessing your income, your expenses, your assets, and your liabilities. It's about understanding where your money comes from and where it goes, and identifying the potholes that can potentially derail your financial journey. The second step is setting clear and realistic financial goals. Remember, the journey is long and the path may be winding, but a well-defined destination can make navigation much easier. Whether it's saving for a comfortable retirement, buying a house, or paying off debt, having clear goals can provide the motivation and the direction necessary to stay on the path to financial empowerment. The third step is to create a strategic financial plan. This is your roadmap, your guide to navigating the financial labyrinth. It involves budgeting, investing, and managing risks. It's about making your money work for you, maximizing your income, minimizing your expenses, and ensuring that you're prepared for the financial potholes that may come your way. The fourth step is to take action. Action transforms plans into reality. It's about making informed financial decisions, staying disciplined, and being patient. Remember, the journey to financial empowerment is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about taking one step at a time, staying focused and committed, and persistently moving forward. The final step is to continuously learn and adapt. The financial landscape is ever-changing. New opportunities and challenges arise, and the journey to financial empowerment requires you to be adaptable, to learn from your experiences, and to continually update your financial plan. In summary, the journey to financial empowerment involves understanding your current financial position, setting clear and realistic financial goals, creating a strategic financial plan, taking action, and continuously learning and adapting. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It's a journey filled with challenges, but also with opportunities. And remember, every journey begins with a single step. So, are you ready to take that step towards financial empowerment? Our journey doesn't end here. It's time to take a step further and engage with the financial empowerment community. Share your insights, your experiences, your challenges, and your victories. Because your story could be the spark that ignites someone else's journey to financial freedom. So don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends, family, and anyone who you think could benefit from this knowledge. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our financial insights. Remember, together, we can make financial empowerment a reality for everyone. Let's continue this journey together.